cases keep coming in at a staggering pace.
Yes, health officials once again are pleading with the public to not gather over the Christmas and New Year holidays. And here's why. Another 145 patients died in LA County. That's the most deaths in a single day since the pandemic began. Over 16,000 more people tested positive. In San Bernardino County, the virus claimed 20 more lives and infected nearly 2,600 others.
And in Orange County, they added 2 more deaths and more than 4,400 cases. 16 people died, 5,100 people became sick with COVID in Riverside County. Ventura County reported 8 new deaths and 751 new cases.
Well, CBS 2's Amy Johnson joins us live now with the new warnings from health officials. Amy.
Well, Pat and Chris, you just saw the record-breaking numbers from LA County, and health officials say their concern is they will increase even more if people don't follow the rules over the holidays.
If what happens over the winter holiday break is at all the same as what happened, or even half of what happened over Thanksgiving holiday, we're in deep trouble. Because as we've noted, we started having a surge at the beginning of November. The Thanksgiving holiday created a second surge before that surge ever leveled off or really declined. And we could head straight into a third surge, which again would lead us to sort of this exponential growth in cases.
Now then, Dr. Barbara Ferrer showed charts revealing the staggering increases in the numbers of cases, hospitalizations, and deaths occurring in LA County since the beginning of last month. Health Services Director Dr. Christina Galley spoke about the trends her department is seeing down the road, and they are grim.
We are forecasting that in this current surge between November 1st and January 31st, of 2021, 8,700 people in Los Angeles County will die from COVID. That is nearly 3 times the number of people that died in the 9/11 terrorist attacks, and these people did not need to die. We have never seen daily death rates this high throughout the course of the pandemic, and the model predicts that the worst is yet to come.
Now, Dr. Ferrer also revealed nearly 39,000 health workers have already been vaccinated and that 248,000 doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are either here or on the way. I'll send it back to you, Pat.
All right. Thanks so much, Amy. Now a live look at